For nearly 4 decades, Tim's Automotive in Parkville, Maryland has written a story of grit and growth. From humble beginnings, a young tech, a small garage, and a beat-up tow truck, to rising stronger after setbacks, it's a story of resilience. Today, it's a thriving operation, a community pillar, and a team driven to keep the industry moving forward.
We started a shop back in 1987. I actually worked as a tech prior to that, coming out of high school. I cut grass for a bunch of years, and then we found an old garage on Bel Air Road in the city. We fixed it all up, and then we started out with myself. And then I ended up buying an old little tow truck that we went and I was driving the tow truck, fixed the cars all at the same time. Well, it helps this business here. It's where when people tend to visual, a tow truck is like you tow it in and fix it. So it was able to get another revenue stream for people to get their cars into the shop to fix. So, and then we also, as we grew with it, we realized that there's another business opportunity to break that off and build that in a separate entity versus the garage. There's a couple of challenges with the fleet work is that you have to plan it out. And if you plan it out enough, like we do with our fleets, they'll never have multiple vehicles breaking down because we have it planned to service that certain mileage numbers they're in for maintenance, and they look and service the whole vehicle, what's due for at that time. If they ignore it, that's when you have the breakdowns and multiple vehicles.
But growth hasn't always been easy. Just as the business was ready to expand, an unexpected fire changed everything. What came next wasn't just rebuilding, it became a turning point, leading to bold decisions and a fresh start.
Back in 2001, we were planning on expanding heavily in the city, and we ended up we had a bad fire, which we lost a big garage, and that was a sign that we needed to move. So we ended up rebuilding, and then we went and purchased this building, and we developed this property here back in 2002. Oh man, it was like it was the end of the world for me. But then we had resilience, and we're like, we'll get back. I mean, we didn't lose everything, but we lost a good bit. It was a sign, like, get out, go somewhere else. That's the best move we ever made. Came to Baltimore County, and we developed this property, and it's been an amazing run so far up here.
As the business grew, so did the people behind it. Many started with no experience, yet over time, they became more than staff. They became a family, supporting one another and the community every day.
We have a total, 8 techs in this building and 3 down the other building. They have range and different things they're certified in. Service writers, we have they're great, another great team. They all came, it's funny because they all came with 0 service writer experience. So we trained them the way Tim's way we wanted to. You don't realize how many people are actually working here every day in their jobs and stuff because there's so many between the tow company and the garages. But when you get them all in the same room at Christmas time, you're like, whoa. Overwhelming sometimes when you think about how many families that we support. And that's we take that seriously.
Running a shop isn't just about repairs, it's about protecting the future of the industry. That's why he fought for right to repair, ensuring independent shops can access the tools and information needed to serve their customers.
We just spent, in September, I was down in DC fighting for the Right to Repair Act. That was a great experience. I loved it. Independents we need support because we need to be able to get the wiring diagrams, the computer downloads, and so on, and they want to take that away. So we want to make sure we have to have, or we won't survive. They need productive, the dealers can't possibly handle all the work we have now.
And beyond cars and repairs, the heart of the job is connection. Building relationships with customers, fleet managers, and the community. Today, his favorite work isn't under the hood. It's helping others and making a real impact wherever he can.
I just like dealing with people. I like the interaction with people. Like I said, my job right now has changed over the last few years because I'm more into sales and developing, different events to the community, fleet managers, and different things like that. So my favorite job right now is what I'm doing now is I like to talk with people and develop relationships and And I do a lot of time, spending time in the community and helping support the community events and with our company, and it means a lot to them.